I was going on a long Himalayan trek with just my smartphones to click nice pictures and capture trek data, and I thought I needed a huge power bank to last me a fortnight throughout the trip. I began my search on my favorite site Amazon, and the varieties were endless, and it was a very difficult decision to choose a power bank that met my needs. I wanted a high capacity power bank that would retain its charge in even cold conditions at higher altitudes. There were multiple brands out there: Ambrain, Motorola, Sony, Lenovo, Siska, but I wanted a power bank with a huge capacity that would effectively retain its charge in the cold conditions. As you know, power bank battery sizes are measured in milliamp hours, and so I wanted a power bank with over 15,000 milliamp hour of power and at least 2 outputs so I could charge both of the smartphones that I was carrying. Amazon had a lot of variety with respect to power banks, even including a solar power bank and ones that included torches for convenience. However, a few trips to Google and Amazon reviews gave me a clear idea that the Xiaomi power bank is the only power bank that I should probably be buying at that price point. I got the Xiaomi 20,000 mAh power bank. Since power banks have lithium-ion batteries which may explode, the packaging was spot on and very secure. The overpack had instructions about lithium-ion battery safety and also the Mi Power Bank 20,000 mAh sticker. Power bank is made in China. It's a great relief to know that the seal was intact. Since Xiaomi is a very popular brand in China, there are a lot of counterfeit products available, and so Xiaomi has included a security code which we shall be verifying very soon. Let's go ahead and open the seal. Surprisingly enough, on opening the overpack, you see another box. A manual has been provided in English and Chinese which explains all the lights and safety instructions for usage of the power bank. The power bank has been tested at 0 degrees to 45 degrees centigrade. The power bank is wrapped in a plastic sleeve, and we also get a flat ribbon style micro USB to USB cable. Considering Xiaomi's flagship Mi 6 has a USB-C port, there is no USB-C cable included. Coming to the power bank itself, the Mi Power Bank 20,000 mAh is made of polycarbonate. The front and the back face of the Mi Power Bank has a ribbed texture for better grip. The power bank feels very comfortable to hold, and the body feels very scratch resistant. Unlike the front and the back faces, the side of the power bank is smooth. The power bank has dual 5.1 volt 2 ampere power output sockets. The bank charges via micro USB. The USB ports of the power bank feel durable, and I tested it after plugging it in and out. Xiaomi has included a wide array of safety ICs, and short circuit protection is obviously standard. Let's now go ahead and check the authenticity of this product. On scratching, we get the security code which has to be verified on the Xiaomi website. If you happen to have a fake Xiaomi power bank, then the site shall not recognize your purchase. I wasn't expecting any surprises as I bought my power bank from Amazon. The side of the power bank has a battery indicator key, and whenever you plug in your smartphone, the smartphone starts charging automatically. The Xiaomi power bank held its charge very well even in the Himalayas at 10 degrees centigrade and at 10,500 feet. Surprisingly, the power bank just stopped working due to moisture at 11,000 feet and only started working when I plugged it in back in Delhi. The power bank charges my Galaxy S7 4.5 times. Considering the mammoth capacity, charging the power bank takes nearly a night. I did not observe any abnormal heating during charging or discharging. There are definitely few features which I wished were included in this Xiaomi power bank. The power bank should be more durable to drops, as polycarbonate will simply shatter on dropping it from a height. Xiaomi should also offer this power bank in a black color, as white gets soiled very easily. Small LED indicating the battery left would also be great. Overall, if you plan on using this power bank in the city, I don't think you would have a problem, and you would find it very useful thanks to the fast charging and the huge capacity. Thanks for watching.